Today I will try to find the value of n and r in the equation npr minus 10 times r factorial minus 6 times ncr plus 60 equals 0. Normally, if we have two variables, then to get the values, we need two equations. If we have three variables, we need three equations. But here, even though we have our job is finding value of two variables, but we have only one equation, then we may guess those symbols we used may have a special character or special things. Okay, here we have NPR, and here R factorial, and NCR, like that. And again, once we have an equation, if we factor without having any plus minus outside, then even like 100 factored form doesn't matter, equal to 0, which means each factor can be equal to 0, can be equal to 0, can be equal to 0. We use that special property of equations. Okay, so let's try get NPR and R factorial and NCR first. Okay. So NPR equal n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, and NCR equal n factorial divided by n minus r factorial divided by r factorial. Yeah, here we can see when you have NCR, if we multiply each side by r factorial will be cancelled, and then it will be same as NPR. Now you look at here, times by r factorial times by r factorial. Then r factorial cancelled out. Then we have left n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, which is exact same as formula of NPR. So we can summarize here. NPR will be same as r factorial times NCR. Okay, so we can rewrite the given question as, in place of NPR, we replace by that. Then it will be r factorial times NCR minus 10 times r factorial minus 6 times NCR plus 60 equals 0. When you have four terms, mostly we can group each of two, or if we have some special higher power, we can factor any three of them, and then we re-factor again. But in this case, we can see NCR and CR similar one, and the R factorial similar, and then 6 and 60 will be kind of some friendly in numbers. So let's try just two groups now. Okay, from here we take out r factorial, then we have inside NCR minus 10, and then here we take a 6 minus 6, then we have NCR minus 10 equals 0. Now we can see each term has NCR minus 10. So we can factor NCR minus 10 right away. NCR minus 10 and R factorial minus 6 equals 0. Yeah, we use this one first to get value of R. R factorial means from R2 all the way down 1, we multiply all the values. R minus 1, R minus 2, up to 2 times 1. It is R factorial. Now, to use this one, we rewrite that R factorial equals 6, and 6 equals 3 times 2 times 1. Then, if we look at this expression and that one, we can get value of R very easily as 3. Once we have a value of R equals 3, we replace this R by 3. So, NC3 equals 10. Now, I assume you people already use the NCR so many times. Now, from which number we choose 3, then value will be 10. Okay, so very obviously we can see n equal 5. Okay? Let's check. And so 5C3 or 5C2, the same value, right? Always. Okay, whenever we have an NCR from this value, take this out, then you can replace it here. So from 5 you take out 2, then 5C2. Okay, it must be 10. Okay, for example, A, B, C, D, E, and ABC, ABD, ABE, and then with the A we count L. Now BCD, BCE. Now with the B we count all, and then CDE. Okay. So we count all possible ways. Then you come out 10. Okay. Now with the AB we did everything, and then ACD, ACE, and then ADE, and then in the same way you check with all B, C, and D and everything. Then it must be 10 different ways. Okay. I'm not going to go every single one. So if I show you like that, you can check everything, right? Okay, now, next time I will go over challengeMath-81. The question is, in the figure, what is the area of an inscribing circle if AB is 6, BC is 8? Because this is a right triangle, using Pythagorean theorem, you can get value of AC as 10 right away. And if we have this kind of problem, how do you get the value of R? Now let's think about it. If they ask you finding area of a circle, which means indirectly what is radius of a circle, so you definitely need the value of R to get the area of a circle. Okay, try first and then look at my next lecture, but this is very simple level. Okay, why? I just try give you very simple one to expand and then go over higher, 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 and higher level of problems. Okay, thank you for your watching my video. Okay, now, bye. See you next time.